California's online voter registration application, also known as COVR. To complete the application, type in registertovote.ca.gov. The California Online Voter Registration application allows applicants to register to vote online, pre-register to vote online, or check their voter registration status. If someone needs to re-register because they've moved or want to change their political party preference, they should click the Register to Vote button. The California Online Voter Registration application is available in 10 languages. This video will focus on U.S. citizens and residents of California. For military and overseas voters, please watch the video linked in the description. Please note, if you have previously served a state or federal prison term and have completed serving that term, your voting rights have been restored and you are eligible to register to vote. Section 1. Qualifications. Please check the boxes to indicate if you are a United States citizen and a California resident, and you will be 18 years or older by election day, or you are 16 or 17 years old and want to pre-register. Section 2. Your legal name. You are required to provide your first name, your last name, including any suffix such as junior or senior, and your middle name or initial, if one appears on your California driver's license or ID card. Your email address and phone number are optional fields in this section. County election officials and political campaigns may use this information to contact you. Your date of birth is required in this section. For place of birth, enter the U.S. state or foreign country of your birth. Section 3. Identification. You will need to provide your California driver's license or California ID card number. If you do not have one, you must check the box below the entry field that says, "I do not have a California driver's license or ID card." You must also provide the last 4 numbers of your Social Security number. If you do not have a Social Security number, you must check the box that says, "I do not have a Social Security number." You will receive an error message if you do not complete this field or check the appropriate boxes. Your ethnicity/race and your language preference are optional fields in the next section's drop-down menu. All election materials are sent in English unless you choose a preferred language in this drop-down menu. You may select your language preference for receiving election materials in the following languages: English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, Tagalog, Vietnamese, Hindi, Khmer, Thai. You may also select Other, which you will need to write in. Section 4. Home and mailing address. You must provide your street address, including your apartment or unit number if applicable, your city, your zip code, and your California county. You cannot use a P.O. Box number or a business address for your home address. If you do not have a street address, click the corresponding button. A new field will appear where you can give an exact description of where you live using cross streets or landmarks. You must choose the county in which you live. At the bottom of this section, there are 2 optional check boxes. If you check the box indicating that your mailing address is different from your home address, the mailing address fields will appear. Here you can enter a P.O. box or a business address, but you must complete each field marked with a red asterisk. If you check the box indicating you were previously registered to vote, the previous registration fields will appear. These fields are optional, but the information will help county election officials update your voter record. Section 5. Political party preference. You can choose from the following political parties: American Independent Party, Democratic Party, Green Party, Libertarian Party, Peace and Freedom Party, or Republican Party. You may also select Other Party, which you will need to write in. If you don't want to choose a political party, you must check the No Party/None box. Click the Next button at the bottom of the page to continue. If you left any required fields blank, you will be prompted to complete the field before you can move on. Section 6. Vote by mail. all active registered voters will be mailed a vote-by-mail ballot for every election. If a voter prefers to cast their ballot in person, they may still do so at a polling location. We recommend each voter takes their vote-by-mail ballot with them to the polling location and surrender it. Section 7. State Voter Information Guide. Select Yes or No to receive a State Voter Information Guide in the mail. Section 8. County Voter Information Guide. Select Yes or No to receive a County Voter Information Guide in the mail. Please note that some counties do not post their County Voter Information Guide online. Section 9. Volunteer on Election Day. You have the option to select the box to be a poll worker or indicate that you can provide an Election Day polling place. You may also select the box to request voting materials in an accessible format. Section 10. Help filling out this form. If someone helped you fill out the California Online Voter Registration application, select Yes and provide the individual or organization's name and address. Section 11. Consent to use signature. To complete the California Online Voter Registration application, you must select Yes to consent to the use of your Department of Motor Vehicles (DMV) signature. With a Yes, your DMV signature is used as your voter registration signature as well. With a No, you have two options to choose from. The first option is to print and sign your application and mail it to your county elections office. The second option is to complete the registration process and to request the California Secretary of State to mail you the application to sign and return. Section 12. Affirmation. You must declare, under penalty of perjury, under the laws of the state of California, that you are a U.S. citizen and a resident of California and at least 18 years old. If you are pre-registering to vote, you will see an affirmation indicating you are at least 16 years old. You are not currently serving a state or federal prison term for the conviction of a felony. You are not currently found mentally incompetent to vote by a court. You understand that it is a crime to intentionally provide incorrect information on the form, and that the information on the form is true and correct. Click Next and review your California Online Voter Registration application. Click Submit and your voter registration application is now complete. You may print a copy for your records or request an electronic receipt through your email.